Hi students. The lesson that already you know about the lesson that it has mentioned on the thumbnail. So we will be learning today data representation and interpretation. This lesson also very important when it comes to your ordinary level exam. Although you are learning in grade 8 right now, then knowing this stuff of maths is imperative. So it needs to be, yes, you need to learn, right? It's essential. I mean, so here basically we have to learn about different segments in this lesson. I will be teaching you that segments. First of all, we need to learn about stem and leaf diagram. 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 Okay, stem and leaf diagram. Basically, you need to know that you need to know that when it is given, certain values, which means that what we are doing here is you think that there are 10 students in a certain class. There are 10 students in the class. The marks obtained by that 10 students for a certain test, let's assume that that's a maths test, right? Maths test. So the taken marks by that 10 students for a mathematics test given in this way that that marks are given out of 10, out of 10. You imagine, not out of 100, that marks are given for the students out of 10. Okay, out of 10. So 3, 4, 7, 8, um, remove, okay, 8, 9, 10, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Here, 2. Let's take, how many students? Here it has given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9, and 10. So here, which means, one student has taken 3 marks, the other student has taken 4 marks, and also how many students are in this class? These are the marks given for the students, out of 100 for a maths test, right? So, this data can be entered in a stem and leaf diagram. How can you enter this data in stem and leaf diagram? Before entering this data, whatever you do, bear in mind this one, you have to write these data, in ascending order, especially, right? Especially, you need to write this data in ascending order. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just so that you can write this data in stem and leaf diagram easily. I mentioned these values, mentioning here that 0, 3, no need of writing here. This one, that, okay? Then I can write a 0. I can write a 0, but so that you can get an idea clearly when the way of entering these data in stem and leaf diagram. Just I mentioned here this 0. No need to mention this 0, right? So, here, 3, then first you need to understand that what's the stem and leaf diagram. Stem and leaf diagram means, that stem and leaf, just when it comes to science, that what's the stem and, leaf as well, So, you just forget that idea. This is a way of entering this given data in stem and leaf diagram. Stem, this is leaf. right? This column is stem, this column is leaf, right? How can you enter this data in stem and leaf diagram? Firstly, you need to write those given data in ascending order during manage, right? Unless you can write this data in ascending order, you won't be able to get the answer instantly. Okay, so let's write this given data in ascending order. Then here first you could see 2, right? 2. After that, what's the other one? 3. The other one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's okay. 6 we can't see. 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have written 0.2, that's okay. 2, that's okay. After that, 0. What's that? 0.3, 2, 0.4, 0.5. Have I written it? 0.5. Yes, 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. I not written 0.9, right? I not written 0.9 twice. Not 0.9. Okay, so there are 10 students. So here, now we can enter this data in stem and leaf diagram. Before entering this data in a stem and leaf diagram, what you have to do is you need to write this data in ascending order. Writing this data in ascending order is not essential, but when you write this data in ascending order, easy. It's able to write. It's able to get the stem and leaf diagram easily. Okay. So 2 stem and leaf diagram. Stem and leaf diagram. Stem, leaf. So the first one is that is here this is 2, 3. 2 and 3 can be entered here, right? 2 and 3. Then 0. Generally we write 0. Then 2. Then 0, 2 means this is equals to. Okay, then 2 after that 3. And we have entered here, we entered 2 and 3. After that, 4 can be entered here. 4, 5, 7, 7. 4, 5, 7, 7. 4, 5, 7, 7. 4, 5, 7, 7. What the other one? The other digit is here. Already we entered how many digits here? 1 here. Already we entered how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to add 4 more digits. And after that, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. 8, 9, 9, 10. 8, 9, 9, 10. 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. 8, 8, 9, 9. What's the other one? The other one is 10. 10 means that it started from 1. So 1, 0. This is 10. Okay, this is 10. Then how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits are here. Okay? Generally, I will teach you. Then when it comes to this type of diagram, then in the leaf column, you need to write how to write every time 1 digit. 1 digit is written in the column of how to write every time 1 digit. one digit is written in the column of leaf every time. Okay, one digit is written in the column of leaf every time. Every time. That's the way of writing. So let's enter this data in the stem and leaf diagram. I mean this data. 22, 23, 25, 32, 35, 37, 42, 45. Let's enter these values in stem and leaf diagram. Here, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Stem leaf. Stem leaf. So I've written so that I can write this enter so that I can enter this data in stem and leaf diagram easily. I have written this data in descending order. Okay. So here 22. So it started from 2, so 22. I have written. So 2/2 means then 22. This is straight class. You know that this is key, right? Key is 22. Key means then 2/2 means then 22. This is the key. Generally, it enters this key right down below, right here. In this sense, it enters the meaning of this one here, right? 2/2 means then 22. Or you could select a certain number as you wish. Okay. So here. The key. Then after that, I entered 22. After that, after that, 22, 23 can be entered. 2, 3, 2, 3 also can be entered. 2, 3. Then 2, 3. You should not write commas here, right? You should write commas here. Generally, we do not write commas when you write values when you enter values data in semantic diagram, right? Then 2, 3. After that, 25, 2, 5. After that, then the other one started from the digit 2 started from 3. So 3, then 32. That's okay. Then after that, 35. After that, 37. Then the other, we entered this data. So the other one, 40 started from 4. So 40, 42. The other one, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think that, but anyway, we how can you mention this 113, 100, 120, 125, 137, 138, 140. How can we enter this data in stem and leaf diagram? Right? Just the three digits number, right? There are 3 digits in these numbers in this data, right? So you could consider that this just it has not mentioned specifically the especially the the reason of getting these values. I mean these are not, this data are not marks or any other. You could consider this data when it comes to rainfall, when you consider different countries or different cities, states in a country, then fall and rainfall, just it can be considered. But anyway, this is not the time to give that the complete the question, right? You need to get the how to realize the way of entering data in segment leaf diagrams. Okay, I written this data in ascending order. I've written this data in ascending order. So, how can we enter this data in stem and leaf diagram? Stem and leaf. This it started from 10. So 102. This means 102. I will write this here then. Key means this one 100. This is 100. So after that, 100. This is 100. Sorry. It started from 10. So this is 103. You should commas here, right? 103, 107, 100. 110 started from 11. So 110. After that, 112. After that, 113. Started from 12. So 120. This one. 100. After that, 25. 100. Started from 13. 137. 138. And then after that, 100 started from 40. 14. So 140. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I think that just you understood the way of writing, way of entering your data in STEM and if diagram. So now we are able to the the question they mode, median and mean. Mode, median and mean. Median and mean.